Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on this device. So firstly you should open Settings, then you should go to the Network and Internet, then go to the Hotspot and Tethering, and here you can enable Hotspot. Here you can set it up, like you can change its name, you can change security protocol, you can change its password, you can also change its AP band. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering and for USB tethering. And I guess that's, yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.